Meteorologist Travis Klineski here. Very unfortunate that clouds have been thickening up over the last hour, right in the heart of the total lunar eclipse happening right as I'm recording this here. It is about 7:05 in the morning, and the total eclipse started about 15 minutes ago. It continues until 7:47 this morning, so maybe still able to sneak it in here yet, but unfortunately, clouds have thickened up for some of us out there this morning. Clouds will continue to thicken up today, so we go from partly cloudy to mostly cloudy skies today. Temperature's still decent out there, although cooler than yesterday. We had a cold front come through last night that cools us back a little bit today. Now tonight, a second cold front comes through, and this one has more of an Arctic push with it. It is going to be a little chillier. May bring a little bit of light snow. Your best chance is probably going to be in the southwest part of the viewing area early tomorrow morning. Tri-City's kind of on the edge of it, so some light snow or flurries possible, but not likely. It's kind of looking at it as a point here. Kind of these areas are the best chance of some light snow tomorrow morning. Otherwise, some decreasing clouds tomorrow afternoon, but a chillier day for your Thursday. Many of us with highs only in the 20s. We may sneak in some 30s off towards the southwest. As we look at what we have in store for today, temperature-wise, again, a cooler day, but not bad out there. Lower 40s up north. Out west, we're looking at highs in the low to mid 40s. In the south, this is where the best chance of hitting 50 would be, is northern portions of Kansas. Mid 40s around the Tri-Cities. I'm going to go 50 down in Belleville, Kansas today, otherwise 40s elsewhere there to the east. Lower 40s around Columbus. Mid 40s for places like York, Crete, Lincoln. Upper 40s there around Hebron. Next couple of days, it is a roller coaster ride. I've been talking about it for several days now. There's a roller coaster ride. Basically, I call it Mother Nature's mood swing. We go from a cooler but decent day today to a chillier day tomorrow, maybe a few flurries out there in the morning. Right back up again on Friday with a breezy wind out of the south and southwest. Temperatures back to the low and mid 40s. Excuse me, but as we get into Saturday, Saturday's kind of an interesting day because it looks like the timing of the colder air has slowed down a little bit. A cold front's going to make its way through. We may actually get a couple of cold fronts over the weekend. The first one will start to cool us back Saturday, and in fact, we may even still see dropping temperatures Saturday afternoon. There are some forecast models trying to actually get us back into the lower 40s Saturday morning before we see that cooler air start to work in. There's a slight chance of some light rain or light snow during the day on Saturday, a breezy day, especially once that front comes through. The better chance of snow will come in the late Saturday night, probably for most of us not till after midnight, and then that will continue into Sunday morning, lighten up and move out of here Sunday afternoon. That colder air settling in for Super Bowl Sunday, so I'm calling it the super cold Super Bowl. We've seen colder earlier this month, but still the coldest day of the next 7 days with that Arctic air moving in. We start off in the single digits, highs in the teens, although it doesn't look quite as cold as I was thinking yesterday. We may even see some 20s to the southwest. We're back into the 30s on Monday. Some models are indicating maybe even 40 degrees being a possibility for Monday. Still a slight chance of light rain or light snow on Monday, and we'll keep that slight chance of light snow going Tuesday as more cold air starts to move back southward Tuesday. We're just fluctuating back and forth, so even though we get cold air, it doesn't last long. At the same time, the warmer air doesn't last long either. We're just kind of just back and forth with these quick 1 or 2 day swings in our weather pattern here, and that's probably going to continue through at least the middle of February the way things are looking right now. There are some forecast models hinting that just beyond the 7-day forecast, we may see another nice little warm up on the way. So there you go. There's your forecast for today. Until next time, I'm meteorologist Travis Klineski. I hope you all have an enjoyable Wednesday, and God bless.